Hey guys, it's Sam here at WTI. I have to tell you about this awesome Blippi puzzle. If you have a little one in your house, chances are you probably know who Blippi is. My little one absolutely loves Blippi. He loves anything that has to do with transportation as well, so this is great because it combines both of those things, and it helps him with his learning and like gross motor skills, putting the puzzle together. So we love this. I love how thick and chunky these pieces are, so it's great for his little hands. I also love the detail on the puzzle. The trucks are really nice details, and they're nice big pieces like I mentioned, which is great. There's little Blippi in the excavator. Comes with 6 puzzle pieces and then the puzzle board, all wooden and painted really nicely. So I definitely recommend this. I think your little one will love it. My little one sure does. And that is my point of view.